One of the most common conversations I have with homeowners goes something like this: Ray, my neighbor sold their home for $2.5 million last month, so mine should be worth about the same, right? And the answer might surprise you, because even when homes are in the same neighborhood or even on the same street, they can sell for dramatically different prices. Today, I'm going to explain exactly why. My name is Ray Marquez. I've been helping Bay Area homeowners buy and sell real estate since 2007. And one of the biggest misconceptions in real estate is that nearby sales automatically determine your home's value. While they absolutely matter, they're only part of the story. Why this confuses so many homeowners? It makes sense. You see a home sell down the street and looks similar. It has roughly the same square footage. It's in the same school district, and naturally, you assume the value should be nearly identical. But buyers don't evaluate homes that way. Buyers compare details, and those details often create significant differences in value. Factor number one, lot location matters more than people think. Let's start with location, not city, not neighborhood, specific location. Buyers notice busy streets, corner lots, privacy, views, proximity to schools, backyard orientation. Two homes can be only a few hundred feet apart and have a very different buyer demand. Factor number two, condition changes everything. One of the biggest value drivers is condition. Let's say your neighbor spent $150,000 on a kitchen, updated bathrooms, new flooring, fresh paint, modern lighting, and your home still has the original finishes. Those homes may look similar on paper, but buyers won't value them the same. Factor number three, floor plans matter. Not all square footage is equal. Some floor plans simply live better. Buyers pay for functionality, natural flow, open spaces, usable rooms. A home with a superior layout often commands a premium. Factor number four, timing matters. The market changes, sometimes quickly. Your neighbor may have sold during low inventory, higher buyer demand, less competition. Even a few months can make a big difference. Factor number five, marketing and presentation. Here's something many homeowners underestimate. The way a home is presented can significantly influence buyer perception. Professional photos, staging, video, pricing strategy, all of these impact how buyers respond. Factor number six, buyer emotion. At the end of the day, buyers are people. Sometimes one home creates an emotional connection, another doesn't, and emotional buyers often pay more. So when your neighbors sell for a certain number, that's valuable information, but it's not automatically your value. Every property has its own story. Every buyer has their own perception, and every sale has unique circumstances. If you're curious what today's buyers would likely pay for your home, not your neighbor's home, I'd be happy to help you understand that. No pressure, just clarity. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Bay Area real estate insights. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and stay empowered.